So it is the day before Thanksgiving and we're getting ready here at JTech for our feast. And what's the best thing you can do for your dessert for Thanksgiving is laser your pumpkin pie. Yes, you'll be the hit of the party when you bring in a lasered pumpkin pie. All right, so let's get started. You want to make sure your pumpkin pie is dry, so let's get all that water off of it by lightly taking a paper cloth. And then we're going to measure your pie. You want to have the area in the inside where it's flat, and take account for the shroud because you don't want to hit the edges. So for our project here, we're just going to do a quick logo. What I've done is made a layer. This orange one is going to be the pie distance. So this one is going to be our little area in the side that's flat is going to be 10 inches. Or that's actually the outside inches. We found a little flat area in it that's going to be more like 6 inches. So I'm going to make my logo 5.5 inches wide so it fits into that flat area in the center. I'm going to do a fill. My fill is going to be around 0.006 inches, a little bit more, about 150 lines per inch. I'm going to go 150 inches per minute at a max power of 80%. That's going to be our quad Pro laser. You can make those changes depending on what power you have. I'm going to turn this output off on this layer and we're going to get it ready to run. Either save G-code to run on your Onefinity or press the start button on other machines. We've loaded our file into the controller. We've set our 0 to the center of the pumpkin pie, making sure that we have enough room for the sides so it doesn't hit because it kind of slopes inward. And we're ready to press go. So there we have it. A beautiful pumpkin pie engraved with your logo, your name, a funny meme. I think it's going to be great this Thanksgiving. And remember to check out the Black Friday sales at jtechphotonics.com. They're going to be available on Friday, so get your deals now. Have a happy Thanksgiving.